everyone. On the occasion of this video, I will show my daily life one full day on Eid al-Fitr. The first is here. I want to start waking up at 6 a.m. to prepare all the food and start cooking food such as opor, rendang, and bean vegetables. And I also make meatballs to be served to guests who will visit my house later. It also happens that on the occasion of Lebaran this year, I was unable to pray because I was menstruation. So I used the opportunity to help cook in the kitchen, and coincidentally also at this time my mother was going home, maybe mudik, so no one prepared food for it except myself. In my home, I just with my father and one brother. Whatever, after finished cooking, I then took a shower and got ready to go to my brother's house. Here I start to make up, but to be honest, I here cannot make up well and perfectly. Can only do the basic skill, starting from using a cushion and then sprinkled with a little loose powder. And then I use an eyebrow pencil. To be honest again, I cannot make eyebrows, but here I'm trying to be able to make eyebrows, even though it's not as perfect as expected me. And after that, I use with mascara, and then using blush on with a lip cream because I don't have a blush on, and finally touching the lips using lip cream too, and I'm ready to go to my brother's house. Okay, and this is on the way to my brother's house. Here I think that this year I have grown up, and I think I will not get any more Eid money, or what we usually call as THR, because here I feel that no one will want to give me money on Lebaran this year, because they will think that I have grown up and no longer need the money, but when in fact I still need it. So I have arrived at my brother's house. Here I met my grandmother and my grandfather, my aunt and my uncle, and I also met my cousins who have very rarely met in everyday life. Here I also start to get along with my cousins because it is very rare that we talk each other and play with each other. After finished talking and telling stories with my cousins, I'm here also help the others to make a video recording with the theme of 8 greetings. Even talks behind the scenes, there are many funny because many are not focused. Okay, after finish making the recording of 8 greetings, we decided to go home to each other, where we also visited other house while heading home, such as visiting the homes of neighbors and also visiting the homes of my friends whose house happened to be in the same direction as my way home, with my cousin and my uncle, my grandmother, and all the people. And this is since when we go home. After I got home, I was so surprised because my friends were waiting for me to visit my house. Here I start changing clothes because the previous clothes were dirty, and here, while they were visiting my house, we did a small event of exchanging gift where we exchange gifts, starting with me. I give some food and drinks, then my friends who exchange with food again, and finally the last one exchanged with money as form of gift, and it made is very happy because the money she gave has worth 50,000 rupiahs, and it really made us very happy because the money was very much for us, and I'm very happy with this moment. Thank you for my friends who come to my house. Okay, after my friends come home from my house, I start also taking an afternoon shower, and I get ready to go to a shopping center with one of my friends because I needed to buy an item, and my friends also want to buy an item too. So we left go together to a shopping center this. Finally, I have arrived to at one of the shopping centers close to my house with my friends. Here I'm looking for a stationery kit and also some other cooking ingredients, and my friends are also here looking for a head scrub accessory. Oh yeah, do not forget that we also tell each other and chat with each other while looking from these items. We talk about college life, where my friends also studied at Sriwijaya University from Administration Publics, and share experiences about the world of lectures from different university. I'm tell about my Win Raden Fata University as English education, and I tell about my experience from Win University too. But one of the funny moments was when we were talking to each other and we did not realize that we had gone around a full mall. But what happened was that we didn't buy any of the items from the mall because the first one forgot what to buy and the second one was too late. So we decided to buy it tomorrow, and we going to home each other with motorcycle. And with this moment too, we still tell each other when after graduation from senior high school, because I'm from boarding school, and my moments will different with my other friends. So I tell each other too when experience from boarding school, and my friends very excited with my stories from boarding school. And after a day of walking around and also visited each other's friends' place, I went home and I start getting ready for bed. As usually, I will do facial treatments at night, such as using toner. And then I compared two with night cream from Wardah, and last is lip serum for my lips, and I'm ready to sleep. Okay guys, that's all my vlog. So sorry if I do a mistake, and
Thank you for your attention and see you next time.